Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install and configure WireGuard VPN Server on Ubuntu 22.04. First of all, you need to update your system. IP forwarding must be enabled for NAT to work. Open the following file and add the following line. Save the file and apply the change. WireGuard is available from the default Ubuntu repositories. To install it, run the following command. Go to the WireGuard directory. Using the wg command, we will create a private and public key pair. Next, show the content of the private key. Please note it down for configuration in the next step. Continue to show the content of the public key. You need to save the public key for config on the client. Next, create a new config file named wg0. Open this new file and add the following content to this configuration file. Save the file and exit. Change the permission on the private key and the config file. Start and enable the WireGuard service to auto-start at boot time. Verify interface named WG0 is up. And install and configure firewalls to finish configuring the WireGuard VPN server.